It reflects slowing of buyer activity, lower number of purchase contracts, but prices are up 7.8% from last year. It's Friday, August 23rd, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Maryland housing inventory has 1,638 homes that hit the market this past week, falling from last week. 1,048 are coming soon, dropping again this week. 1,413 homes went under contract in 13 days. 1,242 homes sold since last week at 100% list to sold ratio and selling in 11 days. Rentals rose to $2,462, keeping at a median $2,550 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, August 23rd, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week. Take care.